Check it out. Just made myself a burrito with onions, cilantro, a little bit consomme, and then of course beans. There you have it. You can make a burrito too. We just added the birria bomb in there, some onions, garlic, a little bit cilantro. You know the birria bomb has it already, but I like to add 2. This is pack 3 there. Very, very, very important. Beef broth, all right? There it goes. Lock in place. Beans, chili, rice, yogurt, slow cook. Slow cook. Temperatures about 2 hours. All right. Get your tortillas, your birria,